I love outdoor activities, really enjoy photography and nature. I'm probably most passionate about. I've been a hearing healthcare professional for 33 years now. I really like to have the patient's spouse or partner in the office, because then they can realize what the limitations of that individual's hearing loss is. Flex trial is probably my favorite way of introducing people to amplification. It builds trust and confidence because it affords that person a chance to try before they may make a purchase. What I enjoy most about being a healthcare professional is just reconnecting people to their family, friends, and favorite sounds. My name is John Tyndale. I'm owner of Beach Hearing in Wasaga Beach, and my favorite sound is my family's laughter.